Hello everyone and God bless you. May the Lord visiting you. So welcome to Moni's channel. So this video is about my cleaning this bathroom. So this is how the bathroom look before. So and I have an opportunity, so I just use the time and I say, you know what, let me just clean this bathroom and let it have another look. So yes, family, this is just a motivation to clean your bathroom, because you might be having house, but if you don't clean it, then it's gonna be messed up. So when you get a chance, you always have to clean. So just like me, and this Saturday I was off on that Saturday, so I used the occasion and I clean my bathroom. This is me cleaning this bathroom right there. So yeah, spray the sink with the Clorox. So and I put some Ajax too on it, because when you don't have time very often to clean up, but when you do, you really make sure you really do a deep cleaning. So this is what I do this Saturday. So I spray and I use Ajax too. So I clean this window. So it's been over like 6 months and I don't really take time to have a deep cleaning in this bathroom. But my kids always do some cleaning for me, but it's not the same as a mother. When you do it, they can do a little bit, but not a lot. But when you're a mother, you do it. So you make sure you take the best of the best. You do the best. So this is what I'm doing. So, and have a seat, family, and watch this video all the way to the end, because there's another part is gonna be in the video. So if you watch it all the way to the end, and let me know, family, what do you think about this? Is just a mother motivation of cleaning. This is what I'm doing. I'm not saying you don't clean, but let's just do it together. So as you motivate me and I motivate you too, so let's just do it together so we can have a clean house and clean bathroom. So this is what I'm doing. Just have a seat and let me know which country you watch my video, family, and send me a comment, share your idea with me, and help me reach my goal this year. I wanna reach 2K, but I can't do it without you. So you guys have to help me too. So please help me by sharing the video, send it to your social media. So you got to make sure, family, when you clean your bathroom, you clean behind it and the bottom part of it. So if you really want to have a smell and clean bathroom, you see what I clean it twice. First I use Ajax, I use bleach, and then lastly I use this Lysol clean up. So I wash it, and even the brush, when I finish, I put bleach in the brush too, and I put some Lysol spray too, Lysol pine sol in this brush, so your bathroom will always stay clean and fresh. So, and my little daughter, she always want to help me clean up. She don't really like to cook. Just sometimes she want to cook, and if I don't give her to cook, she will be mad. And the same way too, but she loves to clean more than cook. So yeah, she helped me to clean up. I just give her to do a little part of it. because as I'm doing this and I'm trying to teach them to how to do it, because when you raise your kids, you don't raise it for yourself. If you don't teach them, they're not gonna know it. But it's always good to start when they're little. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, and I put a glove on my hands and wash it after I use the brush, and I feel the brush not really take as much dirt I want it. When I say dirt, it's just, I want it really clean. And this is the mirror. I use the wipes, glass wipes, and I clean it. So now I'm cleaning the tub. I use the Ajax and spray it too. So I clean it and I spray everywhere. So obviously, family, they're just gonna watch what I'm doing, and you can do it too. So yes, and let me know, family, what do you think? And now this is my daughter. She take the curtain off for me because I don't wanna stand, because I'm easily fall, so I don't wanna fall. And since she's taller than me, so she can do it better than me too. So yeah, I use this brush, and I love this brush because you don't have to bend down. So you can use this, and this brush you can find it at Walmart, Family Dollar. I don't think you will find it at Dollar Tree, but you can find it at Walmart. And this is the trash can in the bathroom. I'm cleaning the trash can too, because the trash can, if you don't clean it, if you don't wash it, and then you're not gonna like the smell, because there has some bad smell to it. So you got to make sure when you clean your bathroom, you clean it. And this is my daughter. She sweeping the floor. So then when I finish, we're gonna mop the floor. So yeah, this is what we're doing. And now this bucket, I use this package, and it really smell good when I keep it. So every time you take the trash out, your trash can always smell. And this is the stuff I bought for the bathroom. And this is some Fabuloso. So see, I put some Fabuloso in the brush, so your bathroom will always stay clean. And I put some baking soda. Baking soda will kill bacteria, especially the bacteria will stay in the mop too. So, and I put some Clorox too on it. Now I am mopping the floor. So yeah, this is another thing I bought to keep my bathroom fresh and smell good. And this, so I put some essential oil on it, and I spray it all over. And this is some candle and some wood, so it is gonna keep my bathroom really smell when you go on it. And it will good too for your health when your stuff is clean. It will good for your health when you clean keep your bathroom clean. So now this is the cleanup, and it is done. So let me know, family, what do you think about my cleaning? So yes, and especially my towel, the way I fix it is not really perfect, but I try. So let me know, family, what do you think? It is not a decoration I want you to see. It's just the motivation of cleaning. And yeah, this is right now. This is how the bathroom look like after I clean it. After I clean mop. So now this is the way I fix the towel and let me know, guys, what do you think? So now, yeah, this is the towel, the way I fix it. Not perfect, but I love it, I like it. I did try. So I just want to give my bathroom some silver and white. That's it. And just a little pink, because I love pink. And that's it, family. Everything in the bathroom just clean and smell good. So family, do not forget to like and share and subscribe, family. And send me any comment. Let me know, what do you think? So I'm pretty sure you might be don't see exactly what I done, because the room a little bit dark. So, but you got the idea. You have the idea what to just clean up. And hopefully, after you watch this video, you got more motivation to clean up, to make your bathroom smell good. Because the two things you need, at least keep clean: your bathroom, your kitchen, because that's where you go, you eat, you take shower in the bathroom, and you eat in the kitchen. So the more you keep your kitchen, your bathroom clean, you have a chance to be more healthy. And the stuff gonna last longer too, because when you keep it clean, you don't have to keep changing. Bye, family.